Yo, to all possible subscribers, this is a stick up. So press the button now before tack your pick up. If any war kick off in a dance hall, your radar goes a kick up. Press the subscribe button now before your dopey bat flick up.
Whoa, yo, yeah. I wonder what will go on here now. I wonder if Masicka will find a song as well. No, I wonder what will go on because I see Jashi take about 9,000 years and 25,000 years again to find a little one song. We not even come like it's a real Clash song, but we know say Masicka is a higher caliber of war machine. Or that was then. Is he still that caliber of war machine? Have he got too timid like when him never have this big career? Was he more of a war machine then, that now that he got a career, he kinda not as hungry as he used to be anymore, so he's less enthusiastic to kind of start a war in a sense? Do anyone think that is what is taking place? Does anyone think that is what is taking place? Since he have got this new career now.
Turn left onto Woodside Avenue.
He don't really interested in any farm. He just want to tell people that he's bad man and send some bad man lyrics and some bad man shots, but really and truly he's not prepared to do anything about it. Really and truly just chattings, just speech. Or is he going to find a song? Since Joshi take about 9,000 and 25,000 a year, if you find one and it seems like a them a par, is that the new trend where them parring team work with like 9,000 and 25,000 a year before everything it stink out of the world? That is when Masicka gonna find a song as well. You might wait till Skeng sing about 9 songs, then he going to find a song. This doesn't look really properly.
At the roundabout,
What do you think?
Second exit onto Woodside Avenue.
Nah, sir, I like when the bad artists them lame up a thing, daddy. When the bad artists them lame up a thing, it look shaky.
Quarter of a mile. Turn right onto
Nah.
A10 Cherry Tree Hill.
Thing look shaky. Bad artists just kick lyrics off a boy, make boy find out so they want to pick me really and truly. What Masicka for do I make Skeng say Skeng? You have a wave right now in a Skeng, but guess what? You don't endure nothing yet, you. You are bad artist, but guess what? The caliber, the levels, you can't catch it back yet, youth. And matter of fact, Masicka for those say, yo, too much people are take liberty. Too much people are throw a punch at the war machine. Too much paper, too much liquor boy. I try to take liberties, mate. Fucking liberties. Yeah, you can't say that. Just say that, no, man. And get
Turn right
mad, no
onto
blood
A10
clot
Cherry
on them,
Tree
man.
Hill.
Make a grandfather turn grandson on them quick. Yeah, deal with. Play about, mess about. Eh? Is that what you're doing, mate? You're messing the fatting about Masicka? Don't bother with it now. Don't do it, geezer. Just chattings and put a foot and then you're in an inbox. We don't do a video about it already. You're in a people inbox. Yeah, what you are doing in an inbox, bro?
You save 5 minutes via Camrose Avenue, Little Stanmore, and avoid
Then
traffic.
go for it now, reroute. This you chat, brother. I don't care. Bad artists. And a badness and a real badness and a lyrical badness. I do
Then
it.
turn right onto Deansway.
Lyrics. Shoot boy. Dash your boy. Lyrics dash your boy. 9,000 and 25,000 a year now. You gotta take before you answer. Because from we see a protege them round you and answer, we know say it a hurt your feelings. From we see how you are get triggered in the comments area, then we get to overstand say it hurt your feelings.
Quarter of a mile.
So,
Turn left
what you say to
onto
me?
A5.
It hurt your personal feelings or it hurt your lyrical feelings? That's what we want to know. Are you confused lyrical feelings with personal feelings? Is that what you're doing? Because I don't know if them new youth you really take clash personal. Like really personal. Like a man lyrically move to you, you take it personal, like you don't really want to fight him or kill him in a real life. That's not in our thing. That's not what we are referred to. We are referred to. Man lyrically attack you, you lyrically attack him back viciously.
Turn left onto A5.
How that sound?
East End Road.
No personal feelings. Me not vex with you. Me vex with the music, cause that's how music go. Don't vex with the don't hate the player, hate the fucking game. So if one of my people them in a music, one brother what me know, send a lyrical half of me, then what? You want me hate him now? No, I can't hate him now. Me hate the game where I allow him to do it, so me shoot back. Shoot black or back black, whatever the word. Bust it off of him as well. Matter of fact, spread him out. They've not bust it off of him, I spread him out. So me word, you chat, me chat. You shoot, me shoot, but me am a axeman, me a sniper. Shoot you from close range, near range, far range, any range. One shot, one kill. Just like that. Bang! Not no bang bang boo, you know that. Bang! Food nyam! Shung! Shang! Okay? You dig? Grave we dig. Good boy. Okay. So what we have seen is that Masicka. Okay. What we're gonna say right now, Joshi has encouraged Masicka to find a song because it's looking bad now. It's looking bad on Masicka. It looked bad on Joshi for taking so long to find a song, but you're gonna look really bad on Masicka, who is so-called a war machine that nobody can take the piss out of. Nobody can this. You see a lot of this has transpired, and you're running like a little pretty girl. Not even like an ugly girl, you know. You're running like a pretty girl. You know, spike heel and can't fight. Yeah. That's what you're running like. Like you're ready to use your fingernails.
In 1,000 feet.
Crab up smarty.
The roundabout, turn right. Then turn left.
Fucking hell. The journey where me I go up and said 35 minutes to go. So me have to go and drive for 35 minutes straight. Wow. That's not so bad. Do that run every day, 3-4 times a day. Sex insurance. Get your sex insurance right here. This is the ad break. Get your sex insurance. Do you feel like your genitalia is not percolating the right way? What you need to do is to contact your horny pastor and get your genitalia sorted out by a product called Sex Insurance. That is a herbal stimulation that make your penis work like you was 25-year-old. You feel like he's 49, 56 and you're sitting slow down? Your libido? Slow down? No. Sex Insurance, a herbal stimulation will percolate up your shit. Back to the video. Yeah. Masicka, we don't two rate where you are going with, bro. Rate you are a bad artist, but we are lose. Cause guess what? You see your ardent fans them have to take up for you and say, oh, I'm not in them class. I'm not in the Masicka class, we don't have to answer them. I hear that them. That no shit. Buckler, you think a fans fight war, are you? Fans, wanna go sit down. I stop telling an artist, but him not for do this, yeah. Come like, you know, for do it. Him have to do it. White flag king, that name. White flag God. Talk about no white flag. You're the biggest white flag human being. You have a white flag will come like a white fucking awning. White shit. That white building that one can't see. Travel Lodge. It white. Big old white building in front of me. Travel Lodge. It's one White House up on the side. Say Waller Street you have White House. You can't see it nice side picture. White, some white. Whoop a white shit a go on. White. It's a white road.
Turn right onto A5.
Turn white.
8 Regents Park Road.
Turn white on White Park Road. What the bumbuck like this?
500 feet. Use the left lane to turn left.
Hey,
onto
Lyle, you gonna make me go?
1462
Thank you.
Leather Street.
Nice white lady. Is everything just white? So a white vehicle, every blood clotting white. What go on here? Phew, it's a white world. You call Masicka white man. We're not in this city, Masicka. It's just that you proclaim to be bad and then you prove to be disappointing. So disappointing. You're not no style, no pattern, no flow. You're no skill with writing. You are disappointing. You're disappointing. You're only bad when you're not no war, but when war start, you're hiding. You're disappointing. Masicka disappointing. When you're not no war, you're bad, but when war start, you're bumbleclot. I want to sing that. I want to sing that.
Take the first exit onto
You're
A14.
disappointing, so disappointing. When you're not know why you're bad, but when war start, you're hiding. You are disappointing, bumbleclot. You don't have to be for you. It can be for anybody. You're disappointing, so disappointing. You don't have no war, you're bad, but when war start, you're hiding. You are disappointing.
62 Dulles Road.
I'm scared of them guys. When them not no war, them bad, but when war start, them hiding. Bumbleclot, me nearly bad. Talk it short.
Half a mile. At the roundabout, take the
Them not have no war when them bad, but when war start. Them not have no war, them bad, but when war start, them hiding. You are disappointing, so disappointing. You not have no war, you're bad, but when war start, you're hiding. I'm gonna full up in my head and tell myself that I am better than them. Could be true. Could be a pack of lies. Some of us, when we are in lyrical war, we get more intense. We get more focused. We get more, you know, like when you play a video game them and you're burn a spliff, or you focus, yeah. They're disappointing, so disappointing. Them not have no war, them bad, but when war start, they're hiding. They are disappointing. Seems like blood clot. Me like that place here. Look on them bridge. Look on that bridge. Me like that place here. Me like that place here. I want to shoot a video runner, so. I want to run a name.
In 1,000 feet. At the roundabout,
Devonshire.
take the second exit.
Devonshire Road. Okay. Okay, people. Whichever channel you see this on, make sure that you subscribe, because there will be more information, more news, more reviews, more talk about, more conversation, and more songs like they're disappointing, so disappointing. Them not have no war, them bad, but when war start, they're hiding. They are disappointing. Fucking mad blood clot, you know, boy. Calm the fuck down and drive where I go. Go get your sex insurance. Oh, that's something I go. Alright. Shung Shang here, people. Shang.
Yo, to all possible subscribers, this is a stick up. So press the button now before tack your pick up. If any war kick off in a dance hall, your radar goes a kick up. Press the subscribe button now before your dopey bat flick up.